In this video, you're going to be seeing exactly how I grew from $0 to about $87 in my first day downloading simple files online, which equates to about $3 per download that I've just done in the past 24 hours of work. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I did this. I'm going to be documenting this journey so that you can get insight into this, so that hopefully you can replicate this in your own way and make $87 online yourself. So if you end up sticking until the end of this video, I'm going to be explaining everything to you, every step that I took, every secret that I have, everything that I know, everything that I've spoken about on making money with this little trick. Now, this is not something that's going to pay you heaps and heaps of money, but at the end of this video, I will show you something that you can invest this money that you make from this into something sustainable to generate you about $500 plus to even $1,000 per day. All of this is going to be explained in the next 10 minutes or so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Plus, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly the document that I've been uploading online to be making this $3 over and over again. It's super easy to do. All it requires is for you to watch this video until the end, a little bit of your time, and then you can earn your first $3 per upload as well. The whole point of making $3 per uploading a file is for you to make a little bit of income online in the most easiest way and fastest way as possible. So this is the strategy that I've come up with today. Hopefully you guys can make some money online from this as well. Without further ado, let's get straight into my PC. I'm also going to be doing a crazy giveaway in this video. I'm going to be giving away an entire Instagram marketing secrets course that will help you make money on Instagram. Now, this course cost me about $87. I managed to get the license to give this away to you completely for free. Now, what you can actually do is, if you watch this video until the end, only those of you that watch this until the end, you can actually use this course, apply this with this strategy that I'm going to teach you, and completely blow up your uploads online and make $3 every couple of 10, 20, 30 seconds online. It's really not that hard. It's really not as complicated as it seems. It's actually really easy to do. But if you're new to the channel, I'm going to get daily giveaways, daily free courses, daily free trainings, daily free resources, and sometimes money giveaways. Make sure to go down below and subscribe down below with that notifications on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value pack video like this one. You're going to get tons of free knowledge. If you want to make money online, if you want to make money from your couch, if you want to become an aspiring online entrepreneur, reach some goals, reach some financial freedom, this is definitely the channel for you to watch, because I'm really putting my all into my content because I'm passionate about it. I'm very fortunate enough to have a very successful business off of YouTube called drop servicing, which I'll speak about at the end of this video if you want to see how you can get lifetime mentorship from me as well on that. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into the strategy. Alright, so this is the first website we're going to be using to make money uploading files. I'm actually going to show you a total of 2 websites that you can use to double your income. You can upload documents to those 2 websites at the same time. So over here, you can see totally free for users. Unlike Google storage that only gives you 15 limited gigs, this platform has unlimited gigs. And now every time you download a file of this website, how it works is on the download page, there's a couple of ads and you make money per download. And the download speed is extra fast. It's not limited or anything like that. If you come over here to the earns page over here, this is what this looks like, and I'm going to show you what you're going to earn. So over here, you can see what you're going to get your pay per download. Over here, for a file that's anywhere between 1 and 50 megs, you're going to get $3 in size or group 1, which is these countries over here. Stage 2 or size group 2, you're going to get $1 and $1 for group 3, which is all these countries over here. All other countries in the world, you're going to get 50 cents per 1 to 50 meg download. And a country from tier 1 downloads this 1000 meg, which is a gig file, you're actually going to earn $40 per download, which is crazy. It's a lot of money. Over here on average, the file I was using was a basic, like, I think 20 meg file, so that's where I was making $3. But if your file is bigger than 50 megs, you're going to make $5, $7, $10, $20 for a file that's between 500 and 1000 megs. And with the giveaway of that Instagram ads course that I'm going to show you, all my traffic has been from only group 1. That's how I've been able to make way more money from this. You can see over here, group 1's earnings compared to group 5 or 4 is completely nothing at all. So it's all important where your traffic comes from. That's where I'm going to help you and advise you on getting traffic from these top tier countries over here. All you're going to do, guys, is scroll up to the top of this website called rapidgator.net. Over here, you just want to click on upload file over here. Click on web upload so you can upload it directly through the website. All you want to do is click on upload files over here. Just quickly register your free account. And before you go and choose file over here, we need to come over to step number 2, which is we're going to come over to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching. I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. all you want to do is you want to click on the free area over here. You can sign up a free account. You don't need to pay for the paid account or anything like that. It's completely free, and you can go and choose any one of these ebooks. What I like to do is I like to choose something more, I would say, to a broad audience. So something like let's take a email marketing success. Obviously that's only going to be targeted at people that's doing email marketing, so your audience is very small. I would use this one over here, Tactical Money, because it's a general ebook that will teach you how to make money online. Anyone can really take that. So all you do is click on login with your account. Over here, you can then download this ebook directly to your PC, which is what you want to do. You can see over here, this 2 megs. So just click on download now. It should take a couple of seconds. 2 megs is really not a big file at all. Over here, you can see is the file that I've now downloaded to my PC. So what you want to do is minimize this window where you've downloaded the file. Click on choose file over here. Come back to the folder where you've downloaded this. Come over to the folder again, click on ebook, and you want to upload this ebook. Click on open over here. Click on upload on this website, and then wait for this to complete. Over here, you want to click on get link, and here is your unique link. So every time I open up this link, download this file, you're going to earn anywhere between 50 cents and $3 per download, depending on the country that is downloading this file. That's why it's important to continue watching so you can see how you get everyone from top tier countries where you'll earn the maximum of $3 per download. Also, come over to this website over here called upload.io. Exact same thing, and I just quickly wanted to show you proof of other people earning from this as well. So here you can see someone just withdrew today $31, $3, $11, $3, $3.24, $6, $20, $11. So it varies, I would say, anywhere between $3 and $20 online for just uploading files. So as you can see, it's not hundreds and thousands of dollars at a time, but this little bits of income adds up for you and opens up a whole new door for you to invest into something that will completely skyrocket your earnings online. That's why I like the strategy, because it's very easy. Anybody can do this, especially you if you're watching this video right now. Exact same thing, click on start uploading right now. Over here you can see drag and drop the same documents. Click on open over here, click on start uploading over here, and here you can see is your unique download link to this document. Exact same thing, you can earn $3 per download over here. So this website where I downloaded this ebook is called plrassassin.com. So make sure to come over to plrassassin.com to download your ebook, which you can then go and re-upload, and every time someone re-downloads that, you're going to get paid per download. Once you've got your unique affiliate link, all you can do is copy this link over here. So just click on right click, copy. You want to come over to a website called bit.ly, which will just make this link look a little bit more neater, not as spammy. You can see there's a short little link over here. Click on copy, come over to this website over here, Facebook groups. So this is the free strategy that I'm going to show you just to get a couple of people downloading this to make your first $30 to $40 online. Then I'm going to show you how you can reinvest this using the Instagram ads course that I'm going to give you on huge Instagram pages where you can get hundreds of downloads per day. So all you want to do is you want to come over to these Make Money Online groups. Let's just choose this one over here. And what you can go and do is you can go and make a post on these groups just saying, hi there, I came across this awesome Make Money Online ebook that will get you started with making your first dollar online. Here's a direct download link to this document, and you can leave a link, or if you want to start a conversation and be like or reply to these comments and reply, hi there, I have an entire ebook course on how you can make money online with a direct download link. If you'd like it, send me a message and I'll send it over there. And once they download it, you make your first $1 or $2 online. Then what you want to do is you want to come over to this website over here called influencercards.com. Come over to browse influencers over here. This is a very powerful website. You can actually go and pay huge Instagram pages. For example, these guys with 80k followers, $35 to shout you out on their swipe up feature. If 200 people download your ebook, that's well over $200 in a day. So all you can do is you can scroll throughout all of these. I would suggest choose a page related to your niche. Obviously, with me being in the business and finance niche with Make Money Online, we want to come right over here and let's choose, and take for example these guys here, Success to Infinity, $15, 85.9k followers. You can head over to the page, take a look at the engagement. If you're happy with it, engagement should be about 10% like to follow ratio, meaning if they have 10k followers, they should be getting anywhere between 500 and 1,000 likes per post. So definitely go check out their page, and if you want to go and shout that out, you can go and do that and make more revenue from there. But guys, if you would like to see what I do full-time off of YouTube called drop servicing, where I sell extremely rare high-income skills and services without actually doing the work myself. So these kind of skills and services take years for experts to study. I can offer them today without a degree, without a qualification, because I just outsource the work and keep so much profit as the man in the middle, and I'm not even doing the hard work myself. It's an awesome kind of like loophole that I've used. It's a complete legitimate business model. Top companies in the world such as Google, Apple outsource their developers. It's another term for outsourcing, where you just keep profits as the man in the middle. So there's nothing wrong with that. Just to show you, this is a paid program currently going for $397. This special is currently going on for the next 2 days. This course I value to be over $19,000. At the end of this course, I actually give to you my done-for-you drop servicing agency that you can already go and promote, ready to promote, worth about $10K, that generated me $98,000 in 2020, that you get for free as a thank you for this course. You'll see over here all the other bonuses and values that I've added in this course. You get lifetime access, lifetime mentorship from me, and a whole bunch of other bonuses as well. So definitely come over to the first link in the description. Take a look at this 26-minute free training over here. It will go in depth what drop servicing is, what's in this course, and all my results from this course. My top store made over $228,000 profits in 2020 alone. So definitely come over to the first link in the description, and I'll see you there.